How to enable clipboard history in Windows. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable clipboard history in Windows. This is one of those features that once you start using it, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. First, click on the Start button and open Settings, or press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard to get there faster. Now click on System, and then look for Clipboard from the left side menu and tap on it. You'll see an option called Clipboard History. Simply toggle it on and you're all set. Now, here's where it gets really useful. Whenever you copy something, text, links, anything, Windows saves it to your clipboard history. To access everything you've copied, just press the Windows key plus V on your keyboard. A panel will pop up showing all your recently copied items, and you can click on any one of them to paste it instantly. No more copying and pasting one thing at a time, or losing something you copied earlier. And if you ever want to turn it off, just come back to the same screen and toggle it off. And that's it. Enabling clipboard history in Windows takes just seconds and makes copying and pasting so much faster and easier.